Inversions of Ferber mechanism. In this video I am going to show you the different types of inversions the Ferber mechanism have. I am going to animate the mechanism on Autodesk Inventor and also tell you which mechanism gets generated from the inversions. Ferber mechanism consists of 4 links of same or different sizes according to the use. Our mechanism has a shortest link, link S, which is indicated with red color. There is largest link, link L, represented by orange, and link adjacent to shortest link, link P, which has white color, and also a coupler, link Q, with green color. The inversions are classified into 4 classes. These are classified according to comparison of the sum of lengths of links. Class 1 mechanism. Inversion 1 is obtained by fixing the shortest link on the mechanism. This results in double crank mechanism. Inversion 2 and 3 are obtained by fixing any of the either links adjacent to shortest link. This results in crank rocker mechanism. Inversion 4 is obtained by fixing the coupler link Q. This results in both links adjacent to coupler to perform the motion of double rocker mechanism. It is not necessary that the inputs are given to the link near to fixed link. You can give it to any link. If we give the input pure rotation to the shortest link, this results in the motion of double rocker to be viewed properly. Class 2 mechanisms. Fixing any ink in this inversion results in double rocker mechanism. Class 3 mechanisms. In this class 2 inversions are mainly considered. First inversion is obtained when link P has same length as longest link and link Q has same as shortest link. This results in parallel crank mechanism or loco train mechanism. Another inversion is obtained when length of P is as shortest link and of Q is of longest link. This forms kite shape. This results in crank rocker mechanism by fixing one of the largest links. This is called deltoid mechanism. So this is for today's video. Please like and subscribe for more videos.